Hi girls, it's Mrs. Forbes. A little bit different look today. I don't have my videographer today, so I'm using the webcam for the first time. We'll see how this goes. So today is Tuesday, March 24th, and we are working on our next CGI problem. Follow along with me, please, as I read it. Mrs. Forbes wants to replace all of the floor tiles in her kitchen. The kitchen floor is 12 feet long and 7 feet wide. How many square foot tiles will she need? I want you to think about what's going on in this problem. Mrs. Forbes is putting square tiles in her kitchen, and her kitchen is 12 feet long and 7 feet wide. So I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to start annotating the important information. Mrs. Forbes wants to replace all of the floor tiles in her kitchen. The kitchen floor is 12 feet long and 7 feet wide. I want you to think, what has a length and a width? I also have my question. How many square foot tiles will she need? Well, another thing that's very important that I'm really keying in on right now is this: square foot. I want you to think about how you would solve this problem if you were looking for how many square feet. That is our clue right there as to how we should solve this problem. At this time, I want you to pause the video and think about what you do when you have to find square feet. Draw a diagram to help you. So hopefully you pause the video. I'm going to be erasing my problem to show you some math work. Now, one thing that I suggested was for you to draw a diagram. And if I'm drawing something with a length and a width, I know that my shape is a rectangle. And if you remember, my kitchen has a length of 12 feet and a width of 7 feet. And on my kitchen floor, I'm putting square tiles. What am I finding if I'm finding square feet? I need to know how many tiles are going to be inside my rectangle. And that means I have to find area. I hope you knew that as well. If you remember, the area formula is area equals length times width. That means I would have had to multiply 12 times 7. I'm going to go over to the side here and do my multiplying. And when I multiply, I get 84. So the area is 84, which means I'm going to need 84 tiles to cover my kitchen floor. Now, maybe I didn't remember that I was supposed to find area, and that's okay. But I could have done something with my diagram to still figure out what the answer could have been. I know that if I have 12 feet going across, that I could break this into 12 columns. So far I have 4. That's 3, 6, 9, and 12. I also know I have 7 feet for my width, so that would mean 7 rows. And I'm just going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew, that's a lot of work. But what I could do is maybe do some repeated addition. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Doing that, I would still get the same answer of 84. I hope you did a great job on this, and I will see you tomorrow.